Hi everyone and welcome you all to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. Today I am going to show you very interesting way of making greeting card. It's a greeting card. I call it as a magic greeting card. You know why? Just see this. So this is the greeting card which I have made, and if I open this greeting card, it opens with some message, but there is a magic. You read this message and I will change this message in a minute. So I will fold this greeting card again and open it like this, and your message changes. So this is the way the magic greeting card works, and today I am going to show you how to make this magic greeting card. So let's begin. So for doing this magic greeting, what we'll require is a craft paper, normal size 21 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Just use a thicker paper because we wanted to make a magic greeting card, so card should be with thick paper. Then I am making use of these two sheets, small sheets. You know, when we cut any craft paper to perfect square size, at that time we are left with these strips. So these are the two strips left out from my previous craft exercise. Then we will require a scissor, cutter, a set of sketch pens for making decorations on our greeting card, and ruler. So let's begin with our folds. First make a fold to your opposite direction. Now we don't have to cut this into perfect square, let it be as it is. Just fold this craft paper to opposite side. Make firm fold like this. Then fold this particular portion to this side, this way. Turn paper around and fold it to opposite side. So you have created a strip like this, okay, like this, W shape. Now just open it up. Now what we have to do is, this edge is inside, just fold it, and we have to cut strips here. So we have to do some marking here. So take scale, take any color of sketch pen or marker pen, just mark strips of say 1 centimeter at equidistance. Till the center of our fold. Now take scissor and you have to make cuts up to the center of this fold. So we are cutting this from this edge, which is closed edge. So we are ready with our all cuts in between with our markings. Now just we need to keep this portion inside. So fold it from here and turn around and fold it from here, so that these strips will come at the center. So whatever we have cut, now what we have to do is, we have to systematically fold this particular strip on this side and next strip on opposite side, this way, and make these folds firm and strong. So this strip on this side and this strip on this side. That's it. So after fold, just make it straight and just push these edges firm. Now we have to make use of those two strips. What we have to do is, we have to cut these two strips so that these two strips can slide inside these folds which are there. So you have to cut this strip slightly smaller than the length of this fold. So just mark it with your pen or pencil. It should be less than this fold. So keep it like this and mark it like this so that it should get easily slide in. Since you need 2 strips, take both strips together and with your scissor you can now cut it. You have to slide these 2 strips in between like this. Likewise for other end. So how our magic greeting card will be. So just try to fold this now. Hold it firm from outside. Make your all fold firms. So your greeting card will be like this. It will open like this as well as it will open like this. So you can put messages here and you fold it and open it like this and you put different messages here. So it will be a twin fold greeting card, a magic greeting card. This way, this way. So let's decorate our greeting card with some messages here and with some messages here. Let's see how it comes out. So I'm ready with my greeting card with some decoration. I have this, I've created this particular thing, and on the back side, learn everything online. Now you open this greeting card. There's a message: I love my sweet home. Love to people is love to God. Now you close this greeting card and open it with inside fold and you will see another message. I love my family so much. Smile is a curved line that makes everything straight. So this is the way in which you can make this magic greeting card, which will show you 2 different messages when you open it with different folds. This way, this way, this way, this way. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, click on like button and send me your comments. Also share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed and ask your friends to subscribe also. And don't forget to click on hit button so that you will get the intimation of my upcoming videos. So keep watching. Bye.